Hey there, beauty lovers, and welcome to my channel. Ever wondered how to get that glowing, radiant skin without spending a fortune on skincare products? Today I'm diving into the world of nutrition to reveal 5 powerful foods that can help your skin shine from the inside out. Let's kick things off with a superstar of the sea salmon. This fatty fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are crucial for maintaining your skin's barrier function, locking in moisture and protecting against environmental damage. Plus, omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce skin redness, acne, and even psoriasis. So, next time you're planning your meals, consider adding some delicious salmon to your diet. Next up, we have a green gem edamame. These young soybeans are packed with isoflavones, a type of phytoestrogen that can help combat skin aging. Isoflavones promote collagen production, which maintains skin elasticity and firmness, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Snack on some edamame for a tasty and skin-loving treat. Now let's talk about a nutty delight, almonds. These crunchy nuts are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin cells from damage caused by free radicals. Almonds also contain healthy fats that support skin hydration and maintain its natural barrier function. Grab a handful of almonds for a nutritious snack that benefits your skin. Our fourth skin-boosting food is a vibrant one. Tomatoes. These juicy fruits are abundant in lycopene, a potent antioxidant that protects your skin from UV damage and promotes an even skin tone. Tomatoes also provide vitamins A and C, which contribute to collagen production and overall skin health. Whether you enjoy them fresh, cooked, or in sauces, tomatoes are a fantastic addition to your skin-friendly diet. Last, but definitely not least, we have a leafy green powerhouse, kale. This nutrient-dense vegetable is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support skin health. Kale is particularly rich in vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis, and vitamin A, which supports cell turnover and repair. Incorporate kale into your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries for a nutritious boost. While these foods are fantastic for your skin, remember that a holistic approach to skin wellness goes beyond nutrition. Staying hydrated is crucial, so aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Protecting your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays is also paramount. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher daily, even on cloudy days. And don't forget to establish a consistent skincare routine that includes cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing. Choose products suited for your skin type and address specific concerns. Healthy, radiant skin is a reflection of overall well-being, so prioritize a balanced lifestyle that includes a nutritious diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management techniques. So there you have it, 5 powerful foods for glowing skin and a few extra tips to keep your skin looking its best. I left you a few links for discounted cookbooks from Amazon below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more beauty and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to your healthiest, most radiant skin yet.